The quickest way to do analytics in Gigasheet is with groups. So I've got 54 million rows here. And let's say I wanted to group this is contact data. Let's say I wanted to group them by the year they were born. It's easy enough to just click here and press group. And immediately it's going to put this data in buckets. If I want to get to the underlying row details on any of them, I just click down and I see all of the underlying rows of the 1 million plus from 1972, the 1,018,000 from 1958, and so on. Really quickly get a count of how many objects meet the value of the year born. Let's say then I wanted to go and further group by state. Now when I click down here, I don't see every record, I see the grouping of states. So I see that of the people born in 1972, 228,000 or so are in California, 121,000 or so are in Texas, and so on. And the same for 1958, and the same for 1992, and so on. Really quickly being able to get some counts there. If I wanted to change that level of grouping, I can, and now I see top level as state, and underneath it is all the different rows. You see over here I've got row count as the group level aggregation. I can change that, or I can choose any one of these and I can see how many unique last names are there. So I can see the number of unique values of people in California born in 1956. I see there's 122,000 or so unique values. If I wanted to see the average year's experience, for example, I can come over here and I could say average. And that's going to give me the average. So I see that the average California contact has 26 years experience. When I click down, I could see specifically year by year that in people born in 1972 have an average of 31 years experience. People born in 2001 have an average of 2 years experience, and so on. So being able to quickly bucket this data and then aggregate based on any of the various aggregations available here makes really speed of thought analysis very simple in Gigasheet.